Well, we went to lunch at Matilda's.
Wow, that is so upscale.
Yeah, and it was fun too. We ate and talked. I didn't believe the computer girl could be that interesting.
Wow, you're so lucky, girl.
I know.
Are you seeing him again?
Well, he wanted to take me to the cinemas tonight, but I don't know.
You have to live life, Shafi. Live this life.
I know. It's just, I'm kind of weary of getting close to another guy, you know?
I know. But you know what they say? One bad apple don't mean that the whole barrel is bad. Moreover, you have to kiss loads of ugly ones before finally meeting your Prince Charming.
Like, I don't want that one yet. By the time you finally find your Prince Charming, you would have kissed. In fact, your floor kissing record would be a mile long. Never. By the way, I haven't seen Benny since I got back from work. Where is she?
That one. She's not yet back from school.
By this time?
Oh, I need to have a word with her when she gets back.
I hope she's okay.
Okay, that one. I'm sure it's a guy that's actually delaying her.
Nah, it's not a guy. Not happening. I'm sure it's something academic.
Do you want a bet?
2,000.
That is so cheap, oh my god. 10,000 naira.
Ha! Oh yeah. Cut now.
Chakam, you are on.
Thank you. Start saving. Thank you.
You know.
I can't wait to have it.
Your 10K is nothing.
I saw this lovely bag. I need to buy it. So prepare your 10K.
Hey, still more time now. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, Bumi. You don't have to put sir. We'll come in too.
Okay, sir. Sir, you asked me to wait behind. You said you wanted to tell me something.
Yes, Bumi. You are a brilliant girl and you're beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
And Bumi, your grades are dropping lately these days. And yes, I can help you out.
Thank you, sir.
Not only my subject, the whole subject.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Come on, Bumi. How can a beautiful girl like you say you don't have a boyfriend?
Sir, I don't have any boyfriend. I don't.
Okay, it's fine. That makes it more easier. I will take care of you.
I don't understand, sir.
You don't understand? I mean, you will be my girlfriend.
Sir?
What is that?
Sir, I can't be your girlfriend. But see, you're my teacher. And you're even older than my elder sister.
So, age is just a number. I'm your teacher. You allow me to teach you so many things.
So I'm not interested.
Okay, I think we're done here. The next time I'm seeing you, I know I'm going to get a yes from you.
Hey. So I'm not interested.
And Bumi, don't think of telling anyone else. If you try it, you will fail my subject. The whole subject. In fact, you'll spend more 5 years in this school.
Sir, please. Sir.
Can a beautiful girl like you be playing the drum backwards while others are playing in front? Don't make me hate you.
But sir, you can't do this to me. It's not fair.
It's well. Think about it.
ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Great.
And where are you coming from by this time to meet Shadare?
My math teacher asked me to stay back.
Why?
He wanted to take me on extra lessons because I wasn't doing too well in maths.
That's quite nice of him.
Thank you.
Taya, I so won the bet. My 10K. Now.
She's not telling the truth.
No, I'm telling the truth.
Sorry guys, have to run. See you later.
I'm listening. Confess.
For what? I don't understand what you're talking about.
Talking to you. So confess.
Confess what? I don't know what you're talking about. I said... I don't understand you. I don't know what you're talking about though. Can you talk?
What's up?
I need to change school.
Why?
See, there is a teacher in my school. His name is Mr. Dan. He wants to...
Go on, I'm listening.
I guess it's nothing.
Hey! You will go back there and you will sit down, Bumi Shadare. Are you kidding me? Why is it that every time I try to go out of my way to play this loving sister, you don't let me? Why? Huh?
I'm sorry. I don't just want to bother you.
Honestly, I don't like being bothered. But in this case, I don't mind. So, what is it about this Mr. Dan?
Oh, Dad, it's you. I was wondering where the noise is coming from.
It's the computer. My documents are not even loading. Can't even browse.
Well, I think I can get Mike to check it out for you tomorrow.
Who is Mike?
My friend?
Boyfriend?
Daddy. My friend.
Yes. You can help tell your Mike to come and help fix this tomorrow morning.
Daddy now is my friend.
Okay.
Okay, I'll tell him.
Okay then.
Alright, Dad. You should go to bed, okay? It's quite late.
I will.
Alright, Dad. Good night.
Okay, then.
Love you.
Love you too.
So anytime he brings up this, you just go this way. That's it.
Wow. You fixed it.
I told you, Dad.
You are a real guru, Mike.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Dad, we'll be leaving now. Mike will drop me at the office.
Okay, dear.
All right, sir.
You have to come for lunch or dinner one of these days.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. It would be my pleasure.
Okay, we'll do tonight, 7 p.m.
All right, sir.
Okay.
I'll be here. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, Dad.
You're welcome.
See you
Okay.
later.
Bye. Wow. This is interesting. My document saved.
Honey, I'm sorry I have to punish you today in class.
It's okay. I understand.
So, have you given my request a thought?
Oh, the one you asked me to be a girlfriend. Okay. I've thought about it like you asked. And I don't mind being a girlfriend.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good.
But you know, I need to know what I will gain from it.
Oh, come on. You have a lot to gain. At least you start having higher marks in all the subjects I teach.
Wow.
Whether you pass or not. And I'll still give you pocket money anytime you need it.
Oh, thank
Do you
you.
know the amazing one? I can remove the head girl and make you the new head girl.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh,
Hallelujah. And this is to tell you, when an Igbo man says you do something, you will do it.
I trust now.
Do you know, in my secondary school days, I was nominated 5 good times for being a good kisser.
Wait now. You know, this is not the time for all this now.
Okay.
When the time is right, I will kiss you very, very well.
Yes. Want to get to that bridge?
We'll cross
I will
it.
date you.
Teacher. Let me jump, Mr. Nonso. Fine boy.
Come in. Oh, Mike, how are you?
I'm fine.
What brings you here at this time?
Sir, do you know any Yetunde Olea?
No, I don't think so.
What of Yetunde Fajemisi?
Yetunde Fajemisi. Yetunde Fajemisi, my cousin. It's been a long time I saw her, but I learned she's been in the States for a while now. Hold on. Why are you asking all these questions? Do you know her?
That's my mother.
Your mother? Yetunde Fajemisi. That means you are my nephew.
Yes.
And that makes you and Shade cousins? Wow. This is not good.
That's quite an accusation you're making, young lady. I hope you're sure of what you're saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma, my sister would never, ever lie about something like this.
Okay. Mr. Nonso will soon be here. We will definitely unravel this mystery. Come in.
You wanted to see me, man?
Yes, Mr. Nonso. Do you know this young girl sitting in front of me?
Yes, ma'am. Her name is Bumi. She's in SS.
Good. Have you in any way had any discussions with her that would indicate that you want to have an amorous relationship with her?
Me? Blood of Jesus, no. She's a child.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. So you have not in any way asked her to be your girlfriend? No?
No, no. How can I? How can I?
Ah, okay. Perfect. So, tell us. Who is this?
Do you know, in my secondary school time, I was humiliated 5 good times for being a good kisser.
Please. You know, this is not the time for all this now. When the time is right there, I will kiss you very, very well.
When you get to that place.
Proceed. Teacher.
I am so sorry, Miss Shadare. So very sorry. I can assure you that this matter will get to the police.
Oh. I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry, ma. It will not happen again. It is the work of the devil.
The devil? Okay. Since you've become very good friends with the devil, I can assure you he will visit you in jail.
Oh. My dear, I'm sorry.
Excuse me? Who's your dear?
Auntie Bumi. I'm sorry.
Mr. Nonso,
Ma.
leave my office.
Oh. Ma.
Now! I'm very sorry, Miss Shadare. So very sorry. The police will wade into this matter and we will resolve it. Please. I am very, very sorry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, how did you find out?
I used one of the photographs we took with your dad as my Facebook DP. My mom saw it and asked how I ran into him. I'm sorry.
For what?
What could have been?
Oh. Well, I think it all worked out well. I might have lost a boyfriend, but I've also gained a brother, and that is way cooler. Anyway, you still owe me dinner, okay?
Deal. All right.
Nah.
I'm fine. All right.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
Come on, you're my cousin.
Bye.
All right, bye.